guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jordy, if you don't know me, and today I made this look using the new Deck of Scarlet palette in collaboration with the beautiful Belle. Two things. This is just a quick eye-focused tutorial, so if you want to see how I made this eye look, then keep watching. And also, I just need to show you guys my shirt. It says, "I'm not crying, you're crying," and it's from one of my favorite ladies over at Bomb Apparel. They come pre-distressed, which is fantastic. I'll link it down below. If you buy from her shop, you're supporting a really cool human. Let's do this. This is not usually how I start my videos. Usually I do my whole face, but today's video is just about the eye look. We're gonna be working with the Deck of Scarlet edition number 9. Look at my little baby. She looks so pretty. This is Belle Jordan. I love her. I had no intention of filming today, but then I opened this and I had to make a look now, right now. I'm just gonna gush over her for 1 second. She's beautiful, she's creative, she's real, she's honest, and I could listen to her talk all day. Without further ado, let's make a look. I'm coming in real close. This is exposing. I have got some concealer and a little bit of the Fenty Beauty eye primer on my lid. I'm just gonna dust a little bit of translucent powder over all of that. Using a big fluffy brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Drama. And I'm gonna pack it on the inner corner of my lid and the outer corner, but I'm gonna keep it higher on the inner corner. There's something about having shadow really high up to your brow in the inner corner that looks really edgy, avant-garde. Picking up a tiny bit more product and deepen that a little bit. And then I'm gonna sweep across and connect these two really lightly. Just adding a little bit more to the outer corner to make the shape a little bit better. You'll notice I lift my brow while I do this. It makes it easier to work on. Stretches out my lid. And just really blending that all together. And then with a smaller eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna grab Crush. And I'm gonna go on top in the crease in that inner corner. And then all the way across in the crease. A little bit lower than the previous shade. Blending this side up. And then blending these two together. A little bit more of that Crush shade and really packing it into the crease. These shadows are lovely and pigmented. Next, with a little guy and some concealer, looking straight ahead in my mirror. I'm going to add a cut crease, but I'm going to keep it in the center. In between grabbing concealer, I wipe my brush off on my hand a little bit because it does pick up the eyeshadow. So I clean off my brush on my hand just a little bit before I pick up more concealer. Then using a small brush, I'm gonna grab a Supernova, which is insane. And I'm gonna pack it on top of the concealer. This is the coolest purple eyeshadow I've ever used. Bringing it all the way down to the lid. And then once you've filled in this whole little area, with a little brush, I'm gonna pop back into Drama and pack it on the outer corner of that cut crease and the inner corner. And then the same with Crush. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a blend. I love this. Now I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line using the same two colors. First with a little bit of Drama and some Crush. Connecting this to this little bit here. And then back into Supernova for the inner corner. I'm going to put some purple in the waterline. This is Marc Jacobs Mist Me liner. I'm gonna skip liner with this look, but I am going to try the mascara that came with this edition of the Deck of Scarlet. I love the wand. This is lovely. I did not expect to like it. My lashes are fluffy and separated, but they look long. It's easy to use. I'm impressed. Get those bottom lashes too. Okay, I really like this mascara. I'm gonna put on some Rouge and Rogue Miss Fury lashes and I will be right back. Now we're going to use the rest of the palette. We've got a highlight and a blush. I'm gonna go into the highlight first. It's called Shh. 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 And it is lovely. It's a pretty gold color, but it's not too gold for me. But it's gold enough that this would work on lots of different skin tones. And then into the blush that's called Whisper. Ooh, I love it. Over here, we've got some lip colors. I'm gonna use this shade. The formula is like a nice matte traditional lipstick. One more thing. Who knew that I was gonna put freckles on? Raise your hand. I just put on a little bit of freckles using Freck and a hat. This was amazing. This was amazing. This was amazing. Thank you, Deck of Scarlet, for sending this to me. Thank you, Belle, for making it incredible. Would you guys wear this look? Let me know.